How to make your logo smaller in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you the correct method to make your logo smaller in a professional way and also in a smooth one. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over to Mailchimp.com. Then you are going simply to head over the setting of your account, because here we are going to use the classic email builder and not the modern one. So you are going to click on here. Then we are going simply to click on profile. This is the favicon of the account. Then we are going to click on settings, select details. Once you are here, you're going to scroll down a little bit until you see here the default email builder. So we have the new one and we have the classic one. I'm going to choose here the classic one. And then we are going to visit all of the campaigns that we have. So select one of the campaigns, and here, as you can see, we have the regular email. We're going to select it, click on edit, and then we have here the sender or the recipients, the sender address, the subject, the send time, and the content. Here in the most cases, you're going to see instead of resolve, edit. But here, as you can see, we are on our free trial version. We have here some problem with this one. So we are going to click on resolve or edit. It is the same. And then you are going to see here the blocks at the right side of the screen. So here we can see that we have the logo. So we are going to click here on image. It is going to be here an image. And then we are going to set up here your default logo. So as you can see, we have image display size. So we are going to have a percentage bar. So we are going to make it a little bit smaller or a bigger. So here we have the biggest image, and here we have the most smallest or the smallest image right there. So we are going to make it here smaller like that, and boom, here we have it. So this is the efficiency of the classic builder. We're going to click on save and exit, and boom, here we have it. So here, as you can see, we have the image. So if you are going to add another logo image, you are going to drag down here a image like that, and you're going to upload an image from here. So you are going to see here the images. I'm going to add this one, insert it, and put it as a logo. So we are going to put it here like that, save and close, click again on here, and then you are going to make it a little bit smaller like that. And this is how we can add the logo and also place it. So you're going to either go ahead and replace your default logo by this one, or you can go ahead and have it. So the logo space is going to be added automatically from here, and it is going to be here added or read as a logo. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.